Today I'm gonna show you how to make this, to make your videos go viral with After Effects. Follow my steps and make sure to watch till the end. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the new trending effect, the depth style, with these 3 clips of GTA 6. So first of all, go to Effects and Presets and type in depth. Select this one, drag it to your clip. As you can see, it's ghost mode now, but you can change it to trending effect and change these settings to make it even better. As you can see, it's much better now. If you want to make a transition of this, you can go to the middle of your clip or almost at the end of the clip. Click on Mix with Original, click on Clock, then put 100, go to the end of the clip and put 0. Press U on your keyboard, select both keyframes, press F9, and now you have your transition. If you want to do the same with your other clips, or you just want to make it the depth style, drag it into your clip, change the settings again. As you can see, it's too bright. You can change the settings how you prefer to. I prefer like this, also a bit like this. And you can copy it on your next clip. If you don't have this preset, this effect, you can go in the comments down below. I have it pinned, or in the description down below, and this is the password. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you did, consider subscribing for more After Effects tutorials and editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.